guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I get ready to go to the gym. Yes, I am one of those females who sometimes, you know, wears a little bit of makeup to the gym, wears a little glamour, a little bit of, you know, a little something. Because, you know, we're already going to the gym to make ourselves feel better and, you know, sometimes look better. So why not feel good in the process? That's my question. So today I'm going to be showing you just a little bit of makeup that I do put on my face to kind of give me a little radiant glow. So if you're excited like I am to get into this video, keep watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up for support and subscribe to my channel. Why not, guys? I mean, we're having fun now, aren't we? I mean, there's only more to come. We'll just get on into this video now.
Low every day going slow-mo. Work hard, in the booth like a dojo. Eyes low when we straight got the road dose. Hydro when I'm playing, when I blow smoke. On the road, gonna make it to the top, might drop it, you know, won't stop heating up, and I gotta fill the pot jot.
Alright guys, so now I'm gonna show you how I do my makeup when I go to the gym. I don't want any shade, okay? Listen, I don't want any shade. Yes, I go in the gym and I work my butt off, and I usually don't put on makeup. Actually, I don't know. I don't usually put on makeup to go to the gym, but sometimes I do. You know why? Because sometimes I wake up and I'm like, girl, I look a mess. And so I don't really see what the issue is. I know a lot of people are like, you shouldn't be going to the gym to have a fashion show or a beauty contest, but it's like, I will go to the gym and do whatever I want. Honestly, I just kind of feel like people can go to the gym and, you know, like, people wear freaking crop tops now. Like, they be looking like they're going to the whole ass club, guys. So the way I feel about it is, I'm going to the gym to make myself look better or feel better even, you know, physically. And I like to wear cute, you know, workout clothes, not darn crop dresses and shit. Bodysuits from Fashion Nova. But, you know, I do like to feel good and whatever. It's just makeup. Anyway, so I start out with the Olay Complete. It's just this moisturizer my mom gave me and like years ago, and I still use it because I love the way it feels on my face. And so I just work this in. I do this even when I'm not wearing makeup. It's just good to moisturize your skin. I really don't think I have like oily or dry skin. I just feel like I have skin that's like, I'm just here, I'm existing. But I guess you would call that, is combination, what is considered normal skin? Is that like rude to say normal? Because like maybe some people's normal is oily, maybe some people's normal is dry, girl. Like, I don't know. I just really have like neither, you know, in particular. Do I look like Ratchet with this skirt? So I'm not gonna put on like a full freaking face because, girl, we are going to the gym. Like, I agree with you on that specific point. But I will put on my eyebrows because, fun fact, I actually used to have eyebrows that were literally like this. When I was a kid, I was walking around here looking freaking crazy. My mom had me looking crazy, but obviously you can't, like, you know what, get your 7-year-old daughter's eyebrows waxed or something. So I was really out here, but I would like have these huge bushy freaking eyebrows, and I was like so embarrassed about them. But as I've grown up, I've kind of plucked them. But I've always had thick eyebrows. I mean, I don't know, but pretty much what I'm saying is this. So when I was younger, me and my best friend's Faith, like our her sister and my brother played on like a co-ed basketball team at the YMCA, and so me and her would play with play around in the hallways with each other to entertain ourselves while our brother and sister were at practice. And so one time we were playing freaking tag, and I don't know why, like, I don't know, I guess she was gaining on my ass, like, I don't even know, but like, I remember she was it and I was running, and I remember looking back at her and being like, to be like, ah ha ha, you're far away, and coming back, and there was a whole like there was a whole wall. And so I ended up like running into the wall, obviously, and I started bleeding to the point where I actually needed to get stitches. And so on my eyebrow, this one to be exact, I have like it's like a scar right here, and hair doesn't really grow. But my eyebrows used to literally, I'm not kidding you, would be like here. Like that's why my hair is growing right here. Here, beach. All of that was eyebrow. I'm so pissed about it, honestly. By the way, when I'm going to the gym, I don't try to slay my eyebrows. Like usually, I would do like concealer and stuff under it, but like usually like not like outside of the gym. But since we're going to the gym, I'm just like, I literally just want to look like my eyebrows are even. So yeah, I have a scar on that eyebrow. So it used to be that my eyebrows were so thick that it would go under it. So I don't know, I would kind of, I don't know, it was just weird when I would get it plucked. It was just a weird thing. Ooh, bitch, I already maced it. So recently I was plucking my eyebrow, and I guess I didn't realize that like my natural eyebrow on this one, like it was getting so thin. It was literally like thick, and then it would cut off because of that scar. Usually I would have, you know, I used to have my eyebrow thick enough to where it would kind of go below the scar, but now it was literally like cut off like at the scar. And so I guess I didn't realize it or something, I don't know, but I was over here plucking this normal one, and I was like in my mirror like this, just plucking away, and I look up and I'm like, oh my gosh, where are my eyebrows? Like for real, I had plucked this one so thin. Like this one was already a handicap one because it was like, you know, I had my scar, but this one was perfectly fine, and I had plucked it to look freaking identical. Like really, I don't know like what I was thinking about in the moment. I have no idea. It used to be that I really could like go out the house and not, I mean I still can go out the house and not do eyebrows like that. I know that there are people who actually really like be struggling, like they really don't have much of an eyebrow. And that's just kind of how life is. I used to be able to go out and would have an eyebrow because my eyebrows are so thick that's like, it wouldn't look maybe gray, but it would be there. So this is my eyebrows, and I feel like they're really thick right now. But it's okay. I don't know. I have thick eyebrows. Moral of the story, I have thick eyebrows, okay? I kind of actually do want to clean up the bottom a little bit. So I plucked off, you know, both my eyebrows, so now they're both scary. And now I feel like even when I do go to the gym or something that I want to wear, just have a little bit of eyebrow. I just want to add a little concealer because I have a lot of hairs that are growing in. Okay, next when I'm doing my full face of makeup, as you can see, my complexion is it's pretty clear. I mean, as far as blemishes, I do have discoloration right here. This is just natural. So sometimes I like to just put a little bit of foundation on, but I also sweat a lot at the gym, so I don't put like a full face. I literally just take what is this? This is my Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the color Cappuccino, which is $3.40, and I just want to say that I actually love this drugstore foundation. I love it. I feel like it gives me the most beautiful color and finish. But this is literally all that I even like, the product that I plan on using. So I just kind of like to literally, I use a sponge because sometimes if I want full coverage, I will use a brush because I love using those brushes. But since I'm not wanting full coverage, and I just mainly want to cover these areas where I feel like, I don't know, I just want my skin to look even. And I have some discoloration around my mouth too, which I'm pretty sure is because I wax that sometimes. And honestly, with melanin, girl, you have to be careful with your melanin because like sometimes I would wax my hair and it just seemed like it would kind of take up skin or like color. I feel like I have nothing on, by the way. I feel like I spread all of that product pretty much around my face. You can still see like my moles. They're not freckles, girl. I do not hate freckles. But you can still see my moles, which lets me know that it's not like super caked on or anything. It's just like a cute little layer to just get, you know, the color together. When I was at Sephora last time, I got this Superhero It mascara. It's just this cute little sampler. Oh my gosh, I love it. It was for my birthday or something. They like give you little gifts for your birthday. And I use it all the time. So I'll just bring you in a little closer again. That's too close, girl, don't play me. So I love when I'm going to the gym, at least to have some eyelashes, because it's like, girl, I don't know, I just feel like my face looks like, look at my eyes. I don't know, I just love having eyelash. I feel like it's so natural, like it looks natural. It's not like you have like a full, you know, eyeliner, full face. I don't know, it just, to me, it's a makeup that you can put on and people can be like, I don't even know if you have makeup on or not. You know, it's not like super obvious that you tried hard. We are tryhards here. Go big or go home. I still have mascara from last night. Okay, so I use this one as what I would describe as a base, because I think I love how small it is and how the bristles are, because I feel like it allows me to really get into my bottom lashes and get just like a really good starting point for my lashes. And then I go in with my Better Than Sex. I go in with this mascara to kind of, I have makeup on it, but to kind of elongate it even more. I will say, I feel like this is a good mascara, but I haven't even had it for long and I feel like it kind of gets dry. It's hard for me to get product after a while. I feel like, oh my gosh, I just started using it and it's already acting like it's out of product, and that kind of makes me a little upset. So I'm just going on top of what I did. I like to kind of keep my head tilted down because I be getting freaking makeup crusties in my eye. But so I feel like this is good because it just kind of builds on top of what we just put down. That small mascara. Ooh, clumping, clumping, clumping. And I have talked to people who said that they feel like there's clumps as well. But I mean, look at it. So can you tell the difference between the two eyes? I mean, you can literally keep building and building and building. And then I'm going to make sure that there's no clumps on the brush and go on the bottom. Ooh! So that's that. Okay, so these are my eyelashes. The last thing that I want to do is take my True Complexion Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette. I love this, even though I actually don't contour a lot. As you can see, which one do I use the most? Which one? Yeah, I use the freaking Illuminate like every day. I got this from Khloe Kardashian. I'm a closet Kardashian fanatic. I don't know why, it's kind of embarrassing. I don't like telling people that. But I just like get a little bit on my hand and I literally put it right here. And then I put it up too. But Khloe said that she actually, whenever she goes to the gym, she just wants a little glisten. And she will put some highlight or like illuminate. And what I love about this Black Radiance is it just complements my skin so much. Like there are so many illuminates and highlighters that I feel like I put on my nose too and on my lips. But I feel like they just look so like pale and terrifying on me. But this one, I feel like it just melts in perfectly with my complexion. and it really does just give it like a golden hue. I just like to be glistening, y'all. Actually, this is pretty much all that I do as far as getting my face together. I mean, I feel like it looks like I don't have anything on, but what we do have on is our eyebrows, our foundation, a little bit of mascara, and a little bit of just a little highlighting. So it's like, I don't know, I feel like it's not that big of a deal for all the people who have thought to decide. And lastly, what I'm gonna do is take off my scarf. And so now things are laid. Things are freaking laid. And what I'm gonna do is work on making sure that my puff looks high and regal. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I know I had fun, you know, showing you guys how I get ready to go to the gym. I will be posting more fitness videos in the future. I want to share this part of my life with you guys. And I have some fitness vlogs on the way. So make sure that you stay tuned and keep your eye out for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.